Okay, this is my first post on YouTube. It's a bike check. I have a DK Cygnus frame. Got it about 2 months ago. It's pretty scratched up. I've ridden on it a lot. I have DK handlebars with trio brake lever with super soft ODIs. I really like them. They're really nice and soft. And DK pedals with Wise crank arms, with a Wise stem, with a Wise sprocket that goes in a set, and I have a DK chain. I haven't really gotten much done to my bike. E-Clat, E-Clate, brake pads clear. I like them because they make that real loud squeaky noise. It annoys my neighbor. Just stock DK rims with white wall DK tires. Well, with DK tire, not DK tires. And Kenda contact in the back, and then a DK, just a stock DK rim in the back too. And I have a pretty nice diamond hub. Whoa, it's wonderful. Nasty sock seat. It's not pivotal or anything. Nothing fancy. I have a DK headset, nice and smooth. It spins really well. Zip tie to keep my brake intact. My bike might be dialed. I haven't done a drop test in a while. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I could drop it after that, but that's about it. Here's my bike. I think it looks pretty sexy. And that's it. That's my bike. Subscribe, leave comments, like, and see you next time whenever I'm on YouTube.